everyone, welcome back to Rocky Ridge Auto. I'm Danielle and we're going to go ahead and talk about this 2022 Chevy Colorado LT Extended Cab in gray. This Colorado is packed with features and is an amazing work truck or travel truck. So let's go ahead and hop inside and take a look at the features. Let's get right into it. We can go ahead and check out the mileage. This one has 29,000 miles. Go ahead and see everything up on the steering wheel. You got your cruise control settings over here, pre-collision alerts, as well as of course your voice commands and hands-free calling. And within the instrumental panel, you can go ahead and see things like your trip, vehicle, and eco. Things within the vehicle would be like your tire pressure, of course your battery voltage, engine stuff, any messages that you would need to get within driving to make sure you and others stay safe. Let's go ahead and check out your touchscreen display though. Go ahead and see your home menu, which is your music and phone connection, presets up top, main menu down here, as well as buttons down here. Going over, you can go ahead and see your audio, phone, Wi-Fi settings, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and of course OnStar services. Go ahead and connect a phone and use that, Bluetooth audio. Hopping over to audio, you can go ahead and see things like CXSM and Bluetooth audio. Go ahead and customize that however you would like. Back on home and hopping over to settings, things within the system, apps, vehicle, things like that. Some safety alerts, things that you'd want to go ahead and turn on and off. Go ahead and actually place it into reverse to go ahead and see your backup camera. We got to go ahead and buckle up. This is a safety kind of feature that these Colorados have. Go ahead and buckle up. You can go ahead and put this thing in reverse, and nice clear backup camera shows up. Go ahead and turn on and off the lines for that, all of the things. Go ahead and put it back into park. Got your climate controls down below here. You can go ahead and turn that up. Also pops up on the screen to help you navigate that. AC, temperature. Here you got your parking brake, traction control, hazard lights, as well as of course bed light and lane keep. Go ahead and turn those things on and off. Nice and simple. That you have some storage, got some charging ports down here. Go ahead and charge up your devices, as well as of course for your key fob. You got lock and unlock, as well as of course your alert system. Got your gear shift, cup holders, a little pocket for some extra keys, and a center console with plenty of storage. Go ahead and shut that. You got a sunglass holder up here and lighting settings of course. Let's go ahead and check out over here, exterior and interior lighting settings. And I forgot to mention that behind the wheel on this side, you can go ahead and adjust the volume. And then on this side, you can go ahead and adjust the station. Go ahead and hop outside. Of course, you got your mirror controls on the side here. And we can go ahead and check out the back seats area. Let's go ahead and check it out. And checking out the front seats real quick, you have automatic seats. You can go ahead and move that with ease. Got suicide doors. You can go ahead and open up this. You have access to some pockets. You are able to put some seats back here, but most people use this as a work truck and putting tools back here. Go ahead and see your charging ports. Go ahead and charge up all of your devices, tools, things like that. Go ahead and use the front seat as well. Overall, a good looking truck and plenty of space and features. Go ahead and shut the back suicide door first, and you can go ahead and shut this front door. Let's go ahead and quickly check out the bed of the truck. I think with going ahead and shutting the bed of this truck, that is pretty much all I have for this Colorado. If you have any questions, feel free to text or call 717-733-8985, or you can always stop in for a visit. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye!